Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the best way to score a goal in soccer based on the motion of kicking a ball.
In order to score a goal, you must first understand the motion that goes into kicking the ball. Right now, the forces acting on the ball is the normal force going upwards and gravity force going downwards.
Newton's first law states that any object at rest will tend to stay at rest. Therefore, to get it to move, we need to put a force on it. Right now, the ball has potential energy, but by giving it a force, we'll give it kinetic energy. Newton's second law states that if a force acts on the object will accelerate in the direction of the net force. Therefore, kicking the ball from behind it will cause it to accelerate forward. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So when Holly kicks the ball, it puts a force back on her, but she isn't moved by it because the ball has less mass than she does. Also, upon being kicked, the ball is put into projectile motion. To summarize, the ball is initially at rest, but due to the force of a foot acting on it, it is forced into projectile motion with an initial velocity and will eventually be stopped by the drag force in the air and by gravity.
Now we're going to learn the best technique to best score a goal.
Many people think that the bigger your follow through on a shot, the better your shot will be. Shortening your follow through actually helps though. You're only in contact with the ball for a very short amount of time. Doing a large follow through will use up energy that could have better been used in the kick. When you do a shorter follow through, all of the energy is focused into the ball. The best kick will result from a little follow through, no other body movements, just all of your energy focused on the ball. Many people think that bigger players can kick the ball further and faster than smaller players. This isn't necessarily true though. Bigger players have more mass, but smaller players can get more velocity with their leg. In the long run, more velocity will help you get the ball further and faster than if you have more mass. Smaller players can get more velocity because their legs are smaller, so when they kick it, their legs go faster because they have less inertia. Yeah. Okay. Here's an example of a bigger player kicking the ball.
Oh no.
Here's a smaller player kicking the ball. See how much further the shorter player kicked it than the taller player.
Do you want to bend it like Beckham? All you need is physics.
Usually players want as little air resistance as possible to allow for distance, but air resistance can actually help to bend a ball. You must hit the ball with the precise velocity on the edge of the ball to allow for optimum spin. When the ball spins through the fluid matter, the air resistance acts differently on the different sides of the ball. The air travels faster relative to the center of the ball, where the periphery of the ball is moving in the same direction as the airflow, causing the bend. This causes just enough speed and current to trick the goalkeeper into thinking that the ball is going one way, when in reality it's going a different way.
Do you want to bend it like Beckham? All you need is physics. Physics.
Usually players want as little air resistance as possible.
Beckham, all you need is physics.
Usually players want as little air resistance as possible. Holly, get back here!
All you need is physics.
Usually players want as... No! You told me beforehand we're going to that side. Taller players, you're not in the, yeah, there you go. You're not in the video.
Look at the happy, there's the happy couple celebrating a nice kick worth a good.
Are you kidding? See how much taller, or right forward.
It's in equilibrium.
No! Start over.
When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a